Hi, my name is Vivek. I would like to show you about how to make a beautiful sunflower, and the material is thin wire, glue. I know have others, so I use this one. Scissor, needle and yarn, bottle perfume. Okay, and the important things is straw. I have yellow, green and black straw. Okay, let's to see how to make the beautiful sunflower. Okay, after you finish cut the straw, you puncture the straw with a needle and yarn, like this one. After you finishing sewing the straw, tie the end of the shawl like this one. And make like this one for the yarns and tie like this one. Until like this one. After that, after you typing the board of the straw next to the scissor tapered. Okay, the next step, do exactly same like the first step and until become like this one. Okay, the next step, like this one. Tie the flowers with the wire at the bottom of flowers, like this. After that, run the wire with the tissue, like this one. Get a little bit the glue. And the last step is make leaves.